Apple iPhone X stands out for its bezel-less design, Face ID powered by the True Depth front camera and OLED display. After a month-long wait, the Apple iPhone X will start rolling out to customers across the world this week. The most innovative phone from Apple in a while has been generating a lot of interest. So much so that some at least have put off their purchase of the iPhone 8 series to see what the iPhone X has to offer. The iPhone X stands out for its bezel-less design, Face ID powered by the True Depth front camera and OLED display. Apple has always wanted to do a phone with an edge-to-edge screen, but it's only now that the display technology and price points have come to a point where it made sense for Cupertino technology giant to take note. However, despite the good grip, you will need to take good care of the screen. Acknowledging this fact, Apple has released its first folio cover that offers a leather flap on front too.